Hello, so I just wanted to share with you what the roadmap for AMGEN will be like in the next 1 year, in the next 2 years, next 3 years. So AMGEN is a token that is owned by NextGen, and NextGen is an academy platform that offers ordinary individuals the opportunity to learn how to trade and make money from the Forex and crypto markets, leveraging on tools that are not necessarily available to retail traders. 90 to 95% of retail traders lose money because they do not know what's happening in the markets. Just imagine you could be able to see real time the volume flowing into a currency pair like Euro, GBP, right? You see that the movement of volume is flowing in a particular direction, and you know that it's flowing towards GBP. What are you simply going to do? You're simply going to buy or long GBP, and you're going to be in profit easily. So you can see real time what's happening through the Newton index tool and the other two different strategies that NextGen offers, the Da Vinci Code and the Asian rejection. So these are only available to institutional traders, and it costs as much as $30,000 monthly, but NextGen makes this available to people in the academy through the back office. It's streamed live on the NextGen back office. Now, how does AMGEN come into the picture? So this is the 5-year roadmap for AMGEN, and it starts with the academy certification. NextGen has partnered with a world-class certified trading academy, trading institute called Aspire. You can check that out. Aspire would certify everybody who goes through the NextGen Academy to learn crypto and Forex trading. As Aspire will certify them, and these certificates are eligible for recognition worldwide. Okay, so that's the academic certification, and it can be paid for by through the AMGEN token. So we're just trying to show what usefulness, what's the word, utility, what utility AMGEN has here. Also, NextGen is already partnering with brokers to ensure that you can use AMGEN to fund your MT5, and that will happen in Q4 2022, just before the end of 2022. We also have the AMGEN an airdrop, which will happen in Q1 2023. So you want to make sure you have your AMGEN wallet set up. It's already on App Store and Play Store. Make sure you have that set up. And so the Visa AMGEN card it's coming up in Q2 2023, and this is what it's going to look like. The pre-order is already starting sometime around now when you're watching this video. So this will enable people to be able to fund their Visa cards through AMGEN tokens and be able to withdraw US dollar or euro or whatever currency they deem fit, and they can use to purchase stuff worldwide in every country, in every outlet, in every airline and supermarket and stuff like that. So that makes it very, very, very important and useful. So the next is NextGen Energy. You can use NextGen to pay for your energy bills and stuff. We also have a centralized exchange coming in 2025 Q1, just like Binance, and AMGEN will be the major token that will be used for that centralized exchange. And imagine the value accrual that will happen through transaction fees that happen on that exchange. So that's some real value there for NextGen users. We have Q4 2022 when AMGEN wallets would be able to be used for swaps in several decentralized exchanges. We have farming and yielding. If you've been in the crypto space for a while, you know or you have an idea what level of yield of income comes in through yield when you can stake in pools and generate multiple digits interest rates through staking and yield farming. And that's what it is here, staking and yield farming. We have AMGEN Travel, where NextGen is already partnering with different airline operators to ensure that you can travel using AMGEN tokens. So you can buy your airline tickets using AMGEN tokens. We have AMGEN Pay. So I'm supposed to have gone this way, but I went this way. So I hope you understand now. So we have AMGEN Pay, which will enable most of these other things and to make them possible. Okay. So the AMGEN Pay precedes the AMGEN Travel, and then to the staking, and then to yield farming, the wallet swap, centralized exchange, the decentralized exchange, right? Just like you have Pancake Swap, you have Uniswap, you have Swap, these exchanges process billions of dollars daily and weekly. Okay, and so AMGEN is going to be coming up with their own decentralized exchange. So income from that, of course, would lead to value accrual on the AMGEN token. We have sports trade. Okay, so people will be able to trade sport. I guess it's sports card, or you'll be able to buy tickets for sports and stuff like that. And we have AMGEN games. We have already been shown snippets of the AMGEN game that NextGen is already working on. It's already been in development for the past about 6 months, and we're excited for what it brings. If you see the graphics, you know that it's some very, very quality project right there. And so it's going to be a play to earn, where users can come play, enjoy the games, earn tokens. And AMGEN is going to be like the major token on that game. I will have the NFT marketplace coming up in 2026 Q3. So this is going to be like OpenSea, where people can come trade their NFTs. NFTs are beginning to develop more and more interesting utilities. We have NFTs for real estate, NFTs for certificates, NFTs for games, and stuff like that. NFT just means that you are attaching identity to a particular token on the blockchain that no one can replicate. So this is some real value here for people in the NFT ecosystem, and collectibles in the AMGEN games are going to be giving us NFTs. So everything just ties together to give you much value and utility for the AMGEN token. So that's the use case for AMGEN. So it's no wonder the reason why I think, or we think generally, that AMGEN is definitely headed for the top, right? Imagine all this onboarding the next million users of crypto and finance into the NextGen ecosystem, and making AMGEN so useful that people cannot do without using AMGEN in the NextGen ecosystem. So if you are yet to get on the AMGEN train now, I mean, you have to do something about it, start thinking about it. AMGEN, when it was launched, was 0.20 euros. At the moment, at the time of this recording, it's about €1. And so you should start to take advantage of what we have in the AMGEN token. I hope this inspires you to do something about it. Quickly get back to the person that is sharing this video with you, and do something about it. I wish you all the best. Cheers. Have a great day ahead.